and software. Under the hood, the Honor 7A is equipped with a Snapdragon 430 chipset and 2 GB of RAM. That is enough power to keep things running on screen, but don't expect blistering performance. On-screen Android 8 Oreo has been covered in Huawei's, Honor's parent company, MIUI 8, which removes the app drawer and switches the theme to something a little less slick in Google's its stock offering. However, this MIUI interface allows Honor to add some additional features to the 7A, including a karaoke mode and party mode, the latter of which allows you to connect up to 9 handsets together and play the same song through their speakers. During our brief time with the Honor 7A, Android ran relatively smoothly, but it's not as snappy as it is on more expensive handsets. We do worry that the chipset and RAM may begin to struggle as the storage gets filled up and multiple apps are run at the same time, but that's something we'll put to the test in our full review. The 16 GB of storage could well fill up quickly, but the inclusion of microSD slot in the SIM card tray allows you to build on the internal space, which is a nice addition on a budget phone.